Pelsee sent me this smart Wi-Fi dash camera and asked me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's see what you get in the box. So here's everything you're going to get in the box. And this is a very inclusive kit. You're going to get everything you need to do this job. So you're going to get cabling that can take your power supply from the main dash camera, which is here, and plug it into a cigarette lighter, or to take it down, you could also hardwire it into a 12-volt source as well. You're also going to get cabling that goes to this rear-facing camera, because not only do you get a dash cam, you're going to get a rear window cam as well, which can affix to your back window and be recording to the rear while this is recording to the front. So you're going to get both in one set. You're going to get the instruction manuals here, some cleaning supplies, and then you're going to get some more adhesive tape, a couple tools that you might need to do the install, and you're going to get the 64 gigabyte chip as well. That's going to be the chip that you're going to use in the camera to record your driving sessions. So let's get this installed in my car and take a look at it and see how it films. It's real easy. It's basically plug and play if you use a cigarette lighter, and just use that double-sided tape to stick it to the windshield, and then route your cables accordingly. And then the video that it produces is crystal clear. Here it shows you your speed you're traveling at, date and time. Actually gives you latitude and longitude positioning there. It's on the right, but I've blurred that out. But just driving down, it gives a very colorful image. It's got a very nice Sony sensor in here. The camera is really spot on. It's going to give you great resolution. Even in a bright sunlight or in darkness, it's still got a crisp picture in all situations. Managing the features on the camera is very easy. You've got 3 buttons here on the back side here on the right that can adjust up and down. So I can go up a menu and then down the menus like this, and then choose what I want to adjust. And then if you need to go back, there's a back button here on the left. And so it's very easy. Very easy to work with your system and make adjustments on the fly without having to do any complicated menu choices.
Recording started.
I want to show you a little bit about this night mode that it has. This is a Sony chip with a lot of good capability to retain detail even in the dark. So if you're using the camera for a safety purpose while the vehicle's parked, you can hardwire it so that it'll still run the camera off the battery and record the surroundings. So here I've got my headlights on, and you can see it shining, and it's giving light for the camera to be able to pick that up. If I turn my headlights off, you'll notice that it's still got a nice bright capability. It's still showing that building with great detail, and it's getting dark outside. And this is what it's doing, is it's showing that the camera is able to, in low light situations, still film. Really good for safety when you've got the vehicle parked. Overall, I'm just super impressed with the device. This P1 Pro, it's really got all kinds of features. It comes with a nice large 64 gigabyte card, has that Sony chipset, and just overall, it's a very professional dash cam. I hope this helps. Have a great day.